What's up, internet marketers? Zach Fox from internetmarketinggym.com. I don't want to screw around in this video. I want to give you a just straight content value filled video. First thing I want to tell you is that this is about Yoast SEO plugin tool. Very simple. You just add it to your WordPress plugin list. Just go to the plugin add new section and type in Yoast SEO and just install. Click install. Okay. So this is just a little post I created. I actually used my Google smartphone, Android, whatever the hell you call it, speech to text, and I just spoke out this this post. And the keyword I'm targeting is eBay seller mistakes. Now this video isn't about how to target a keyword. It's just on how to please the Yoast SEO plugin. And yes, you got to please the plugin. Let me explain. Yoast SEO plugin it's basically an SEO wizard. You put in your keyword into the Yoast SEO. Let me show you. You scroll down and you'll find the Yoast SEO plugin section here. You pop in your keyword. As you can see, it's right here. eBay seller mistakes. For my example here, eBay seller mistakes, and it will tell you right at the bottom things you need to improve upon, like the readability. Maybe there's a lack of keywords. Maybe you don't have a keyword in a headline. So let me show you. So here I have my keyword in a headline, right? My eBay seller mistakes. I'm gonna delete this, and I'll show you that Yoast SEO will be like, "Hey man, what's up? See? Look, improvement." Yoast is like, "Yo, what's up? You have not used a focus keyword in a subheading." Okay, so I'm going to put in my keyword again, and now check it out. That bullet is gone. Okay, so that's how you use Yoast SEO. You install it, put in your keyword right in here, and then you're going to want to just make sure Yoast SEO is happy. Get rid of these bullets, as many of these bullets as possible, until, let me bring you back up here. As you can see below me, there's readability, needs improvement. Don't worry about that. If you think your post reads smoothly, then let it go. But the SEO, you want to make sure that's good, okay? You want to make sure that's good at least, okay? Another thing, something that's might be hidden to some. You might think it's hidden. When you put in your keyword here, there's a little button here that says Edit Snippet. Okay, you want to click that, and you want to, number one, you want to put in your meta description with your keyword inside of it, right? So towards the, not towards, but maybe in the first sentence. So as you can see, I wrote here, I made some eBay seller mistakes recently, and I learned, okay, so blah, 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 blah. The point is, my keyword eBay seller mistakes is towards the top of this little meta description. Not only that, you also want to look at the SEO title. Okay, so it says here what I learned from my disastrous, again, keyword eBay seller mistakes. Now if I were to scroll up again, you'd see my headline is just the keyword eBay seller mistakes. Okay, that's all well and good. And the slug, maybe another word I should say is the permalink, is internetmarketinggym.com/eBay-seller mistakes. Okay, sorry, eBay-seller-mistakes. Okay, that's all well and good. That's my keyword. But for the headline, for the headline that people see when they're searching on Google, I want them to be enticed. Okay, I want them to be enticed to click on my post and jump into my blog to read my content. That's why in the SEO title here, I have my keyword, but I make it so that it's attractive. Clickbait, that's such an ugly word, but you want to make it compelling. Okay, you want people to click on your stuff. eBay seller mistakes is not going to have anybody on your site. Okay, you want to make sure that you grab them, you grab their curiosity and shake it around and say, hey, come inside, and this will do it. What I learned from my disastrous eBay seller mistakes. So that's what now how you use Yoast SEO, okay? And I'm gonna have a link I'm gonna have a link in the description with this post so you can see how I wrote it. And yeah, it's not a really big post. It's really short, but that's what That's how you use Yoast SEO. Thank you very much. This is Ike Paz from Internet Marketing Gym. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more great tutorials and guides on how to profit online. You take care and talk to you later. Yo sigo ganando y sigo gozando.